you know, a part of me wants to be like, feed a chicken sandwich to like a chicken, and then be like, "You're eating your nephew," and he'll be like, "Oh no!" Anyways, I'm gonna draw a chicken. Let's see. Um, what, what, what? Um, I don't know how to draw the feathers. What do you do? What? Um, chicken, chicken. Okay, today we're going to talk more about fractions. Yay! We're going to be circling fractions. Okay, so we've talked about fractions in the sense that they're equal parts of a whole, but now we're going to talk about fractions in a different way. So imagine I had a group of 5 balls, okay? And we know that if you had one of these balls, you would have 1 out of 5. This would be your fraction. 1 out of 5. Having one of these balls would be 1 out of 5. Okay. Now, if I were to give you 2 balls, 2 of these balls, what would your fraction be? Now, I've said that fractions are are parts, equal parts of a whole group. Okay? Now, there has to be equal parts of a group. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're equal parts of a group, 5 parts, and each one of them equal. But fractions don't have to be equal themselves. As in, you have 3 balls over here, but you have 2 balls. 3 is not equal to 2. But your fraction would still be 2 out of 5 balls. You have 2 out of 5 balls. So in a sense, a fraction doesn't have to be equal parts. But for a fraction to work, the parts of the thing have to be equal. Okay? All the 5 parts are equal to each other, but your fraction is not equal to the other fraction. Okay? Okay, now if I were to select 3 out of 5 balls, I would have 3 out of 5 balls. Oops, 3 out of 5 balls. Okay, now let's say I were to have like 7 cubes, ice cubes. Okay, let's say I got 7 ice cubes to put in my milk because I'm a weirdo. I'm joking. It's not weird. I just don't like it for some reason. Okay, let's say we got 7 ice cubes, and then someone takes 4. Their fraction would be they have 4, but there are 7 ice cubes in total. See, so their fraction would be 4 out of 7 ice cubes. 4 out of 7 ice cubes, and that's the fraction. Amen. Everybody say amen. Amen. I'm joking. So yeah, try this at home and stay in school.